Have you noticed the modern paradox that is home ownership? You know, people make the single biggest purchase of their life as their home, and then they spend all of their productive years serving the payments to be able to keep that home. And yet when the world corporations and bankers come along and say, hey, in the future we're going to take your stuff, we're going to take your home, and it doesn't even elicit a verbal response. Could it be that there's a secret unspoken hatred of this relationship between working and suffering just to have a place that we don't even live at? I mean, after all, why would you be attached to your home and your property? Because you spend all your time out working and elsewhere servicing a debt. In contrast to like my grandfather's generation, if you had told him that you were going to tax or take his home, you probably wouldn't have seen the light of another day.